How to restore OneDrive files after uninstalling. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to restore the files that you have deleted or removed, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find the recycle bin right here. Tap on it. Now from here you can simply find the files that you have deleted or removed or uninstalled. Now to restore them, simply tap onto three dot lines right here. Then here you can find restore. Now select it. And now you can see it is restoring. Now go back and simply check the file where you have deleted, and the file will be just right there, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can restore OneDrive files after uninstalling. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.